In this video, I will show you how to fix DNS issues on Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, type here CMD. Now right click on Command Prompt and run as administrator. Now here click on Yes. Now type this command line ipconfig /flush DNS, then press enter. You will see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now type net sh winsock reset, then press enter. Now just now guys, you need to restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close it and restart your system. Hopefully using these simple steps we can fix and resolve DNS issues on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.